Starting next week, you'll be able to order 4 more free COVID-19 tests from the U.S. government. A notice on the USPS COVID test kit order page states U.S. households will be able to place a total of 2 separate orders for free at-home COVID-19 rapid tests, 4 tests per order, sometime next week. If you've already ordered your first round of tests from the government, you'll be eligible to order to place a second order as well. Related: how to order free rapid COVID tests from the U.S. government. To order a second set of tests, or place an order for the first time, simply head to the USPS website, fill out your name and address, and hit Checkout. Now, your tests will ship for free. If you've never placed an order before, note that you can only place 2 separate orders, meaning you won't be able to get 8 tests in a single package. You'll likely have to go through the ordering process twice. Unfortunately, the USPS doesn't list a specific date when the second round of tests will be available, so we'll be on the lookout for any updates on the USPS website next week. The White House first launched covidtests.gov in January. On the initial launch, some users reported issues when trying to place orders to apartments in other multi-unit homes. USPS says this only affects a small percentage of orders. According to USPS data, the federal government has shipped 68 million test kit packages, which accounts for over 270 million COVID-19 tests. The Biden administration stockpiled 500 million tests for the program, so around half are still unclaimed.